wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best Kitchenaid blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the 48-ounce countertop has 5 speed settings and a convenient spout that makes for easy drip-free pouring of liquefied contents. Unfortunately, its pitcher is an awkward size, not large enough for mass quantities but too big for personal shakes. It crushes ice with ease and has a wide, stable base. However, the top can pop off if it's not held down. At number 7, when you're trying new recipes and want to prevent mistakes, the user-friendly intelli-speed control can be of assistance. As its name suggests, its motor can sense what type of food you're working with and will adjust accordingly. It includes a scratch-resistant pitcher and a hard-wearing metal base, but some have reported that it leaks. Coming in at number 6 on our list, you won't miss a standard blender when you have the 5-speed manual. An 8-inch long shaft lets you reach into deeper bowls and pots while keeping your hands clean. Plus it comes with a whisk for making frosting and similar treats. It includes a milk frothing attachment and the accessories are easy to swap out. However, it's not great for shakes and smoothies. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kitchenaid blenders or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the 5-speed almost unbreakable has a jar that, as its name suggests, can take quite a beating without ever cracking. Its buttons are nicely laid out, and fans of it say it does a particularly good job on soups and pasta sauces. It's equipped with built-in cord storage and long-lasting stainless steel blades. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Halfway up our list at number 4, when you're just too busy to physically hold your appliance while it purees food, you'll love the Torrent magnetic drive. Simply lock the pitcher into place, select the setting, and go handle another task as it does the work for you. This one turns off automatically and sports a sleek and contemporary design. It makes perfect milkshakes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. While admittedly not a budget-friendly item, the Pro-Line series may ultimately save you money, since it lets you easily make things at home that are pricey in stores, like nut butters and hummus. Its blades swiftly cut through thick ingredients without slowing down. It features a self-cleaning function and is designed to pull food to the center. It doesn't vibrate while in use either. At number 2, if you want to make creamy soups and purees right in the cooking vessel, try the Hand KHB 1231CU. An ergonomic grip keeps the palm comfortable, and with just one touch you can adjust the speed of the rotor, which is rather powerful for such a compact model. The blending arm is dishwasher friendly and it's affordably priced. The jar fits in the fridge easily. And taking the top spot on our list, don't let its quaint retro look fool you. The Diamond Vortex is a rugged machine that can tackle chunks of ice and most foods with ease. It will certainly make frothy margaritas and hearty smoothies that are void of lumps in its generous 60-ounce pitcher. It's got a narrow base for a small footprint and is simple to operate. It's available in over 20 colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kitchenaid blenders or simply click beneath this video.